doing today? Today I'm in a Dollar Tree train collab. So this time it's fall, so it could be fall or Halloween items. The people involved are to thank Tracy for doing all the artwork and Miss Jackie for hosting. We want everyone to give a rating between 1 to 10. If you like the items, it's just for fun and not a competition. We're all doing giveaways. You must be subbed to everyone in the club and leave comments on everyone's videos. And everybody's rules will be different. So we shown 10 different items. First one is a craft kit to make this cute little owl thing. Oh yeah, and my Dollar Tree changed. Everything was $1.50 instead of $1.25. Another item is a sign that says autumn skies and pumpkin pies. Another item was another sign that says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Another item is a paint set, so I can paint this cute little owl. Another item is a color your own pumpkin patch. Another item is another sign, and it's a scarecrow with a crow on his head. It says, "Hello, fall." Another item is a pumpkin carving kit. Another item is this pumpkin. If I can figure out how to get it to go, I'll add a clip here. Because you put batteries in it and it does something. It's the same with this cute little pumpkin guy. I'll add a clip here. And same with these skulls. Like I said, I'll add a clip here. This one's busted. We couldn't get it unscrewed. Like I said, everyone will be doing a giveaway. Everyone's rules are probably different from my giveaway. Code word is fall. I'm giving away items valued at over $10. It'll be skincare and bath type items. The rules are you must be publicly subscribed to everyone and leave comments on everyone's videos. You must be in the USA. Once it's in the mail, not my responsibility. Be 18 or older. The giveaway items are just me, myself, and I. After I pick one, you have a week to get a hold of me or I do whatever with the items. I'll put an end date here. And you should check out everybody else's videos and see what they got from the Dollar Tree. If you liked this video, please hit like and subscribe with the bell on. Thank you.